This, ladies, is that perfect piece to accessorize. It's the perfect piece to tie on any level of the body. If you wanted to tie it right under your bust line. In fact, I'm going to move over here by Renee and Natasha. I'm going to show what I'm talking about. You know, we can just tie up here. You can tie right under the bust line, you know, if you wanted to do it like that. You know, that's beautiful. If you wanted to wear it with a brooch, I want to show you how you can actually wrap it. I'm going to come behind you. You can kind of like wrap it around like this, because she's small and you can do that.
Exactly. Look at, oh, this is
you
just
can wrap
the
it
cutest.
around like this and then tie it. And then she could have like a little brooch right there on the side. Or if you just want to let it just hang low and just have it, you know, it's an asymmetrical hemline. So it's just going to just float along the body. I love it in the black. Over here, it's gorgeous in the gray. And if you want to keep with what is so hot this fall, it's all about the berries and about the grays. So this is beautiful. Again, this tied up, you know, a little higher and just kind of showing the T-shirt. It's beautiful. It's great over a T-shirt, great over even a dress. It keeps you warm. It's actually a 7 gauge. So we're talking about a nice feel to this cashmere. Beautiful, beautiful, lightweight.
You just did what I love doing with mine. You
right under.
Under the bust line.
And it's very slenderizing, and we like the slenderizing. We want to always feel good and feel thin.
By the way, it's
2-ply. You're looking at a price under $100 for this.
Exactly.
And this is, again, you know, when Callie's talking about, it's about layering. You know, I always say that the key to, you know, the key to keeping warm is layering. The key to keeping cool is layering.
We have some gorgeous sweaters in this sweater report. And to help me with this hour, one of my favorite girlfriends, it's Brigitte Palette. Such a romantic, beautiful name for a romantic, beautiful girl.
I love her. You're the best. How are you?
I am so good, and you know, I love the way you style everything out. You look gorgeous, and you've got 2 of them on. You've got the turtleneck, and you've got our very first item right here with, feeling this.
Total luxury. Total luxury. I'm all styled out in Definite View. You, of course, have Michael Simon on, and we have that coming up in a little bit we're going to talk about. But right now, you are looking at Definite View. This is the only all cashmere line here at HSN.
That's right.
The only one, all cashmere, 100% luscious, beautiful, luxurious cashmere. There's nothing like feeling cashmere. Is that true, Helen? I mean, nothing like receiving it as a gift, nothing like feeling the softness. And what I have is such a light, airy, a featherweight duster. It's the shawl collar. You've got the straight hem. This is that easy flow, a lofty feel to it. You know, I'm actually wearing 2 layers of cashmere right now, but it's not bulky. It's just comfortable. It's soft. I've got this turtleneck coming up right after the duster. First up, Helen is going to talk about the colors that you have available. I just think, I look at this and I feel like, you know, you're in a lodge somewhere, you know, having some hot cocoa or hot apple cider. When you look at this with, you know, with the beautiful powder blue turtleneck, which we have coming up, to me, this is just
hot liquor.
So
I'm like waiting for the next drink, and then we're going to have.
I was staying with the nice sober drinks there.
Don't bother.
The hot chocolate.
It's me. Don't bother.
Hot apple cider. That's what I was doing. I was staying with that.
It's almost 2:30 a.m. We're all grown up.